Welcome to Barricade Rides, videos for motorcycle enthusiasts. Got a great video for you today. Today we got a package in the mail and we are gonna open it up and find out what we got. So let's roll that intro and get right into it. Let's open this up and see what we got. This is one collaboration that I have really been looking forward to, and this part's not for me. One of my best friends, I served with them in the Navy from 2004 to 2006. And we both ended up meeting back up in Washington and been inseparable since. So on the outside of the box says OC Ride or CC Rider. So right now this box is really well packaged. It's got some good cardboard, and then looking inside, it's well protected. So this is the first piece, second piece, and the third piece. So far what I really like about this is that it is stored like in a felt bag. Oh, and it's just pull. Alright, so it's set up with just like the single seat, and then we got the second seat right here for the passenger. And here's the back of it. First looks at this, I am extremely impressed. So we got the seat, that's how it's gonna look on the bike. And then we got the strap. Would you call this like an oh shit strap? Like they got the oh shit handles on the car? Honestly, I'm not sure what this is called. My first thoughts is I'd call this an oh shit strap. Feel free to post that in the comments and educate me, because I obviously don't know. With the front seat width of 15.75 inches, this seat will position you in the perfect riding position with a similar reach to controls as a stock seat. This two-piece seat mounts just like a stock seat and is available with or without a fully adjustable, easy to remove, built-in driver backrest. This seat fits 2009 and later Harley Davidson touring models, with the exception of trikes. This seat is made up of microfiber leather and PU, known as artificial leather. It comes in 5 colors: black, red, blue, white, and orange. The price for this badass seat is $365, but TCMT is currently running a deal on the CC Rider touring seat for the price of $260. Thank you for watching part 1 of this video. Part 2, we will be installing it and getting some actual ride time on the seat so we can do a full-blown review on it. So far what I've seen of it, I'm a huge fan. It looks great. It's a beautiful seat. And as always, brothers and sisters, stay safe and ride your ride.